Ozzy, off the grid down under, southwest Western Australia. Yeah, rest in peace, Ozzy Osbourne, Black Sabbath, passed away today. Yeah, got a bit of rain here. Give you a bit of a look. I got verse 2 for you folks. Don't click off yet. Here we go. I've been working on it. There was movement at the station. The word had passed around that the colt from Old Regret had got away and had joined the wild bush horses. He was worth £1,000. So all the cracks had gathered to the fray. All the tried and noted riders from stations near and far had mustered at the homestead overnight. For the bushmen love hard riding where the wild bush horses are, and the stock horse snuffs a battle with delight. There was Harrison, who made his pile when Pardon won the cup, the old man with his hair as white as snow, but few could ride beside him when his blood was fairly up. He'd go wherever horse and man could go. Clancy of the Overflow came down to lend a hand. No better horseman ever held the reins. Whenever horse could throw him while the saddle girths would stand, he learnt to ride while droving on the plains. Well, there you go. That's verse 2. There's 13 verses, folks. I'll see how the brain goes. Yeah, I've done a bit of motion today. I'd love to take you out in the rain. I just wanted to show you. I'll do it in another video, but my lime tree, my lemon tree over there, the rain stopped. Get an umbrella. Hope you go get an umbrella. Keep the camera dry. I'll bring you around. I'll give you a little listen here. You hear the water? The water passing down. We go over to this one. Got this one here. Yeah, sorry about the sound. I don't know what's happened with the sound, but hopefully it works this time. It seems to work in a thing, but once I uploaded it to YouTube, the sound seemed to go a bit funny. Don't know what's going on there. Hopefully you can hear me now. I checked in the software, the editing software, the sound was up a bit. I'll just take you over here and give you a bit of a look. Get an umbrella. Keep the camera dry, that's the only reason. I got all the mulch done before the rain came. Trying to get the umbrella up the grassel. So here we go, down here. The water's flowing down the hill all right. My lime tree here. I haven't pruned these yet, so after I pull a bit of fruit off that one, so that one was come from a branch off the lime tree we had in Perth. My lemons, and I made sure that I gave them a fair bit of water in the summer, which helped, obviously. The lemon tree, haven't pruned that yet, but they seem to just, like lemons are ripe on it, and there's more and more lemons coming. You see that? Can you see that? Not sure if you can see that. Big bunch of lemons starting up there. It's just going prolific. More lemons. More lemons. I haven't pruned this yet. But there's a whole heap more lemons coming. And down here, this little lime tree. This lime tree's going off as well. And what I have is honey lime drinks. That's why I got all the lime trees. I love honey and lime, and honey and lemon. I used to have honey and lime tea, but I decided to scrap the tea. And what I got here is I got this, I think that was 2 or 3 loads, shoveled onto the ute, off the ute. And then down here, I did this one today before the rain came, so I didn't get wet yet. And I've got to get in the garden and get rid of a few weeds. And that's it, folks. The man from Snowy River, AB, Banjo Patterson, £1,000. That would have been when money was worth a bit. Today money's not worth much. I'm going to give you a video on money, but yeah, it's not worth much these days. $1,000 is nothing like £1,000 when AB Banjo Patterson was writing that poem. Yeah, good drop of rain supposed to come, but look, it's getting a bit light over there already. So hopefully a bit more comes to fill up the tanks. Anyway, just thought I'd share that one, and yeah, Ozzy Osbourne's gone. Can't talk to my brothers about it. They're gone. Yeah, won't be long and I'll be gone. Yeah, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, put it in the comments if you're a fan of Ozzy Osbourne or not. You know, they had an impact. I wasn't a huge fan of Black Sabbath, but yeah, a few other bands, of course. So yeah, looks like it's clear enough already, don't tell me. Okay, enjoy that. We'll catch you in the next video.